My teenage daughter has been begging for a vanity table. I was so excited when the company agreed to gift one to me. This is the vanity table. It actually comes with the vanity, a mirror, and the stool that I'm sitting on. This vanity set is completely unassembled, so you will get it in a giant box that you need to assemble. And my husband put it together, and it took him about 3 hours to put all of it together. One of the tips he had during installation is not to put the posts completely all the way in the holes, so they're much easier to lock onto the cams when you're putting it all together. Overall, it's a really cute set. Some of the features that I love the most about this vanity table are, first off, the mirror. It's really easy to operate. It has a power button right here in the front. So all you have to do is touch the button and you can turn it on, and then you can adjust the setting. It's a great little setup for their room if they have a smaller space and they want to put on their makeup in their room. The drawers afford a lot of storage space, so they can put lots of different things in here, from makeup to school supplies. This is the little stool that comes with it, and it's got a pleather topped pad. It has a couple of outlets and a couple of USB ports on the side, so it's really easy if they want to charge their devices or plug in things like a hair dryer or a curling iron. It also comes with a hook that you can hang your dryer on the side. If you are looking for an affordable option for a vanity set that has all the things that your daughter will need, this set is a great option.